Oi, you're so cute. What's your name? You're cute. Where you live? He said, stop it, Anna. You're not giving me treats.
I don't have food, sorry.
Sorry, we don't have anything. Oh, you're so cute. Where you live? Where is your house? Bait ng pusa. Si number 6. Paborito niyang pusa, kinikiss pa. Mayroon siyang pusa, dalawa eh. Dalawang aso, dalawang pusa. Hello.
Hagod. Hi, baby. Bye.
Bye. You want to come with me?
I'll bring you home.
Yeah. Where's your mom? Oh, nakaupo pa oh.
Hola, sige.
Where's your mom?
Bye.
Oh, you coming? Good girl.
Si Kuya allergic siya ng pusa. Bahing ng sabay.
Hi. Bye. See you next time, okay? Oh, look at her. Hi. She's so cute. She's so cute. I'm going. Bye-bye. I'm getting late. Oh, you coming? Behind me. Hala ka. Maligaw ka. Nakaupo doon sa partner for crime. Gagawin kong tatlong minuto na ngayon ang short.
Oh dear. TikTok.
Hindi. Sa Whitey. Ang ganda ng araw, panahon, 'di ba? Pero malamig. Pero okay naman. Makaya pa naman ang lamig.
Bakit yung ko? Ay nako.
Saka atching. Atching? Singa.
Hindi. Sa lamig.
Kailangan mong bonnet.
Dito sa bako.
Tama lang tayo.
3 minutes.
20 minutes kasi to pag nilakad. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Novo Mix Vlog. Babosh.